So I probably should have given Willow some exercise before I started. Once we played some fetch and gave the dog something to chew on, I could begin my sewing project. For some reason, I thought white furniture was a good idea several years ago. But since having dogs running in and out, tracking in dirt, I realized that I needed something easier to maintain. So after watching some how-to videos, I got so inspired to try making my own slipcovers. I had tried to make a denim slipcover for a chair for my son's nursery 20 years ago. I was pregnant at the time and managed to do it, but with my pregnancy brain, it turned out pretty wonky to say the least. I'm using dropcloth material, so it's very inexpensive. So if I mess it up, it won't be too big of a deal. There are 2 chairs and a couch that I'll be recovering. The first chair is a recliner, so it was tricky to try to figure out a way for the fabric to open up to allow the chair to recline. I ended up leaving slits at the back on each corner, which I'll make ties for, and at the front I left a flap that will flip up with the footrest. My husband will definitely be glad the chair still functions. My sewing machine actually broke and I had to order a new one that was similar, and got right back to work the next day. For this chair, the back cushion was attached, so I removed that and planned to make a separate cover for the back and seat cushion. But first I will try to make a cover that opens up at the back with 2 overlapping pieces. I ran out of dropcloth fabric and I'm waiting for an order for more to come in. So in the meantime, I picked up a different brand of dropcloth to use for the couch. This IKEA couch does have a removable cover, which was why I bought it in this light color. But after putting it together, I realized that in order to remove the covers to wash them, you actually have to disassemble the couch in order to do so. So I'll be making a cover to go over the body of the couch and then separate covers for all the cushions. I found this much easier to do because of all the straight lines. There are no curves or odd angles to deal with. I had the idea to make these envelope-style covers for the seats, but that didn't work out. And this is where I realized that my plan failed. So I went ahead using the same method for the back cushions because they were much softer and I knew they would fit inside a cover like this. So after some thinking, I came up with a case with an opening at one end with a longer piece that could fold over. This worked well for me so I could avoid the use of zippers, buttons, or other types of enclosures, and the cushion would easily fit into it. So after several days of pinning, sewing, trimming, fitting, along with having to replace a sewing machine and a few broken needles, I was happy to have completed 2 out of the 3 pieces of furniture for our living room. The covers are so easy to remove for washing and our space looks so bright and much more put together. There's a satisfaction that comes with learning a new skill and in the end having something useful and pretty for our family to enjoy. Thanks so much for listening, and I hope you are inspired to try making slipcovers for your home.